This video will show you how to enable billing alerts in the AWS console. First, click on your account's name in the top right corner. Then click on Billing Dashboard in the drop-down. Then on the left panel, click on Billing Preferences under the Preferences drop-down, which should take you to the Billing Preferences page. Navigate to the box that says Alerts Preferences and click on Edit. Click on the check mark next to Receive CloudWatch Billing Alerts. If you're using the AWS free tier, feel free to click the check mark next to Receive AWS free tier alerts so you can receive free tier usage alerts. Optionally, you can send these alerts to a different address. Please note that in this video, billing alerts and free tier usage alerts have already been enabled on the account I'm using. If you haven't enabled billing alerts and free tier usage alerts yet, your screen shouldn't resemble mine. Finally, on your end, click Save. You should now start receiving billing alerts from AWS.